In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to resize the dimensions of an image using GIMP and how to adjust the file size to make images smaller. Okay, so import your image into GIMP. Just drag it in or go to File, Open, and browse to your image. Alright, now simply, if we want to make the image bigger or smaller, we can simply go to Image, Scale Image. And now I can adjust the width and height. So I could just set this to 1000 instead, and notice how the height automatically gets updated as well. I could set the height to 800 and then the width gets updated. That's to keep the image at the same ratio so it doesn't get distorted. If you don't care about the ratio, say I can reset, I can unclick this chain mark. So now width and height are unlinked, so I can adjust them independently. I can make the width 1000 and I can make the height like 50 or 70 if I wanted, and independently. Another cool thing you can do, I'm going to reset, I can also just divide by 3 in here, or multiply by 2, and it just calculates it for you. Really nice. For this example, I'm just going to make the image a fourth of the original size, and then click Scale. Okay, so now the image is smaller. We can see the size is now 1000 by 550. Now I can go to File, Export As. If I want to overwrite the original, I can just click this button, but I'm going to give it a new name, so Export As. I'm going to call it Image 2. I'm going to leave it as a JPEG file type. Click Export. I'm going to use the max quality and click Export. So now we can see we have a smaller version of our image. So if we compare, this image is 1000 by 550 pixels, and the original is 4000 by 2200. Alright, now let's say also that the output image is 400 kilobytes. Let's say that's too big and we want it to be smaller. We can go to File, Export As, just as before, Export. I'm going to overwrite the one we just made, and this time I'm going to lower the quality. So I'm going to try like 80, Export. Now the image is way smaller. It's just 75 kilobytes in file size. If I'm okay with it being a little bigger, then I can just go back, Export As, and it's really just trial and error. This time I might try like 90, Export. Look, okay, that's 100 kilobytes. If I'm okay with that, then I'm done. That's it. And then I can just close out the image here. Yep, so that's it. Good luck.